Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah. Okay. Today I want us to focus go head and shoulder. And then Veronica, I'm going to take you back to the beginning in no time, ne?
Oh,
Now just focus and then pay attention to what I'm going to talk about, and then I'll take you back to the beginning in no time.
okay.
When we talk about a head and shoulder, we're talking about something like this. Flip. This is a cell head and shoulder.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is a buy head and shoulder. So in this situation, this is where you buy. This is where you sell. You sell on the neckline. If you're going to sell here on the neckline, this is where you're going to place your stop loss. This is where you're going to place your stop loss. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
This one is for sell, this one is for buy.
But
Yes.
okay, I wanted to ask, okay, you see head and shoulder. When do you execute? Do you wait for it to become a complete head and shoulder? Then you draw the neckline, then you execute.
No, let's say maybe you can see the formation. Some they will say, yeah, you need to have W and all the stuff. This is the W that they are talking about. So you have to wait for the left shoulder and then you wait for the right shoulder. Once the right shoulder is fully formed, wait for the price to break the neckline. This is where you have to execute. On the neckline.
Okay. Then what do you check? What do you see? Price action.
It's under price action. It's under price action.
Okay.
I'm only teaching you price action, guys. Nothing other than that. So here,
Okay.
on the neckline, this is where you execute. Same applies when you buy, you execute on the neckline. Remember, when you're going to execute here, you must always pay attention to whatever that happened on the left-hand side as the market was going up. Pay attention to whatever that happened on the left-hand side so that you'll be able to place your stop loss, your take profit according. For instance, if you're going to sell to this zone, this is where you're going to take your take profit. We are out of the trade. Same applies here. Look for the potential zone where the market will turn, and then you place your take profit. If you can see that the market will turn here again, you can put this one as your second take profit. This one as your third take profit, then you're out of the trade. Same applies on this one. So let's go and check for head and shoulders live.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you guys can see this one. Here is a head and shoulder. This is the left hand shoulder. This is the head. And then this is the formation of the right shoulder. You can see. And then now, this is where you execute your trade under the neckline. Then you sell here. As you can see, the price went all the way down to this zone. If you pay attention to this zone and then you go to the left-hand side, we have a rally-based rally.
Rally-based rally, yeah.
Is a rally-based rally.
Yes.
I'm on 1 hour time.
Yes.
You can see what happened. The market turned and then it pushed all the way up.
Mm.
Now we have to check the
Okay.
overall direction of the market.
Which time frame do you use, Pila, when you check overall of the market, or are you use? Oh my God, you don't use any indicator. Which time frame do you use?
I use daily H4 and 1 hour.
Okay.
Now here,
Okay, no problem.
okay. Now here we go to H4. Unfortunately, I'm facing a little bit of a challenge here because of the broker that I'm using. I cannot go back to the left-hand side to see the overall trend. But now here, I can tell that the market turned here. Now we have a new resistance. And then here's our support below. You can see the market turned here and it turned here, it turned here again. Now we have a trend line.
It went up. Mm.
Going up. If you're looking at the direction of the market, where is the market going?
Up. Bullish.
Up. The market is going. The market is going down. Look at this. This is our resistance. Is this our resistance? The market turned here because of the head and shoulder, remember? And then it went all the way down to this level. It turned here because of the rally base rally. If we go to smaller time frame, of which is 1 hour, now I'm on H4. The market turned here. It turned here to this.
When we check the direction of the market, don't we check the low, high, and the high? What do we call them? The high, low, and the high.
Yes, you can even check that. But now remember, if you look at the overall of the trend, you can see that now we're from the resistance. And then here's our support. The price is going all the way down. Now it turned here because of what? The rally base rally that we have on 1 hour time frame.
Rally base rally. Yes.
The rally base rally. It turned here because of this rally base rally. So now the market is trying to push all the way up, and then it will continue going down. So now here we have to look for possible entries.
Okay.
Now here is a trend line here. Unfortunately, it did not touch the trend line, but this is a good zone to take a trade. If you are live now, take this one.
Yeah, when it has for the third time.
Come again.
Now.
Yes, take it.
SL.
Yes.
You said we can take it now.
You can take it right now as a sell.
SL.
You can take it as a sell now. This one is 9%.
Which statement is this? Oh, it's Euro AUD, ne?
Yes.
Pila.
I can hear you.
Euro AUD, ne?
Yes.
I'm saying it's a Euro AUD.
You don't see it?
Yeah, you can proceed.
Come again.
Damn it. Sorry. Yeah, you can. No, I say you can proceed.
Oh, did you execute?
No, I'm still busy. I'm busy on phone and.
Oh, yeah, I can tell that.
That's why I said you can proceed.
What's happening? I'm trying to check where you're going to place your take profit.
Take profit.
Let me see if I'll be able
take profit. Is it gonna be down there? You see where there was the line? Will we use the rally based rally, that one of a 1 hour time frame? Will we use, hello?
Now you don't.
Will we use the same? Is it the? Yes.
Let me go to 1 hour and then.
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah, you can use this one as your first take profit. The challenge about this one, remember, this is our first time, this is our second time. So now we have a trend line. We are supposed to take a trade as soon as the market touches the trend line. But again, if you check, let me remove the rectangle.
Yes.
If I remove the rectangle, here I have a drop, base drop, a small one. Remember, I once said to you, once the support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Do you still remember that?
Yes, yes.
Look at this, starting from this side, and then we'll go to the right-hand side.
But don't we wait there for a confirmation, pillar?
For the third one?
We are not going to wait for confirmation.
The reason why I'm saying execute now, look at what we have on the left-hand side. It's a drop, base drop, and then there's a trend line.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, no, okay.
Push this one to go all the way down. They will push the market to go all the way down. That is why you can see now the market is trying to go down. So what we're going to do here, we're going to place our stop loss above to this level.
Which level?
Let me give you.
Okay.
It's 1.58857.
Let me see. Okay. It's on 1 hour, ne?
It's on 1 hour. It doesn't matter. You can even place it on daily, still the same. As long as you have the correct numbers, then you are safe.
Okay.
Done.
Done. You said the stop loss? Oh, didn't do the stop loss.
Yeah, that was the stop loss.
No, I didn't put it. I'm just gonna modify it.
Okay.
Stop loss is
1.5. Let me adjust. 1.58857.
1.588.
Let me put it again.
8857 and take profit.
Okay, let me look for the take profit. I said your take profit's gonna be your first take profit is gonna be on the drop, base drop. How many trades did you
open? 1.
Come again?
1.
1. Okay, it's okay. Just put it on the drop, base drop.
I must put it on the base drop.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Done.
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can see there's a head and shoulder above the neckline. It's where the market turned as a resistance and then it became a support. Support, it was broken. Now it's gonna turn here as what? As resistance again. Now you have first time, second time. You're supposed to have the third time. It might go and touch there, but we already executed because of the drop base drop. The higher the chances that the price might not even touch the trend line. Let's go and look for another opportunity.
But it will turn.
Come again.
No, I said okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay.
Let's just look for a few head and shoulders, and then we'll look for other opportunities. You'll have to forgive me, guys, about last week. Hey, I was away.
You are a busy bee.
Do you still remember supply and demand?
I do.
You do, then.
But there are other people here. I must not answer for them. I must not answer for them.
Guys.
Your cycle of supply and demand, I haven't understood it.
Okay, now I'm ready to listen.
Yo, it was the struggle. You supply and demand.
Now I'm ready to listen to what you were guys saying. I couldn't hear you.
No, I said I'm not answering for other people. We are 5 here.
We are 5. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, we are 5.
Hey, it says Banning. It's good. Remember, I once said supply and demand is in the beginning of a new trend, and then a rally base rally and a drop base drop is in the middle of a trend. You can see here, this is the beginning of a new trend. Look at this. Look, can you see where my cursor is? Can you guys see my cursor?
I cannot see it. I don't know about others.
I can see it.
Okay. So here, this is our new.
Yeah, I can see your cursor, man.
Okay, that's good. And then this is our new support. Let's say there's nothing on our left-hand side. This is our new support. And then you can see what happened. The price went all the way up from 5 July to 14 July on 1 hour time frame. Actually, it's 5 July to 14 July. The market turned again. As it was going up, they left a red candle here. Can you see it? Here is the red candle, and then the market continued going up. And then it came back to test the red candle that they left as they were going up. And then look at what happened all the way up. It turned and then continue. Now, the reasons for the market to turn here is because of this gap. Can you see it? Okay. I was looking for a head and shoulder. Let me try to go to 30 minutes and see if I can get it. Head and shoulder, guys, you can get it anywhere. Anything that you can get in the market, head and shoulder, also you tall. Just that I'm a head and shoulder challenge corner. Our value too much. Out of 10, you're taller 2. But then it's weird to know head and shoulder, because if ISO appear, you'll be able to take hammer trades. With this one, we don't have a head and shoulder. Let's check locus USD with inani yona.
Hila,
Yebo.
can I ask you, what is the difference between Forex the currencies and USD besides, is it a volatility? What is the difference?
USDT, it's a index.
Yeah. Okay.
USDT, how can I put a USDT? I want a proper way to explain it. It's more like companies that are joined into one company. I'm not sure if ngichaza kahle. How many are we here? We are 5 now. I think it's 5 ngami. So we decided which is
Five.
our company way to in one box. At the end of the day, since we have our companies, we all have the same goals. Our goals ukuthi ama company wethu abe successful. So ama companies wethu maswafaka kule box aba like box yakhona kungaba USD. So njengoba ku USD kanje, any performance eperforma company yami ine effect la kule currency. If company
So currency, I'm a bank.
currency can be just banks only. Currency would be country as a whole ukuthi yona iperforma kanjani. If country iba weak, sizobona country yakhona drop, and then the opposing one is rise.
Like a country yakho ihlale weak njalo.
Exactly, over the other countries yethu iyehla amanye ayakhuphuka. So thina siluza is the more yehla we are losing value. No, the more yehla is it, the more yehla is we are gaining. Mayehla sgainer value, my khuphuka lose value. Let me see if I do have country yami here. Amanye amalokuzana awafuni ukuvela like I don't know why. Yabona kuvela lawa engawafuni. Irange. Remember the last time in Chero, this broker is not good. You can see here is my US dollar za ifunungen. I'm trying to edit ifunungen. You can see now JPY, I'm trying to edit as well ifunungen. But if I add this one, is ongen. If I add this one, is ongen. If I add this one, is ongen. But if I add JPY, I na ingenile. And then let's check USD.
Power off.
Ingenile. Let's check the last one. Sport is ongena. Ingenile. Let's check is out is ongena. I'm struggling with Isa. I'm struggling with this one. I don't know. Okay. Now I'm good. If we angazi ngizothi broker yenze njani. It's not a broker that you can use. Flip. Okay. Unfortunately, another member ihambile due to load shedding. So sesisele ngapha, but I think we will continue. Uzo catch up. Where is USD Swift? You can see the time is to ila. Ila, one. Here is our trend line. First time, second time, third time you sell. So now, the currency to be 17 rand. So if you were to go to another country like USA, i-1 rand yabo mayeza ngapha eMzansi beyiweta i-17 rand. Are we still together? And even now, it's still it's 17 rand. Let's go to daily time frame and then we check ukuthi ime kanjani khona. The time i-currency yethu izoba strong, it's when i-currency izofika ku-16. Mayifika ku-16 iba ngconywana. Iba ngconywana. Kahle kahle i-currency yethu ukuze ibe sharp because if ibe lapha kuboma-14, once yangathi 14 iba ne-value, but for now i-currency yethu ayina value. If you check around October, i-currency yethu beyile kuboma-18 rand. So i-currency yethu ayina value bafethu, as you can see. Yehlile from 18 still iku-17. So the more wenza imali ngama-dollars uyiletha ngapha eMzansi, it's the more you're going to make money. Yes, the more you're going to make a lot of money. So country, as you can see now, on our left hand side we have US dollar, on the right hand side we have ZAR. So if a country is South Africa, it loses value, gain a dollar. So here, if you're going to buy USD over ZAR, you mean ukuthi ZAR is over weak. It dollar lizo gain a value. I'm left with 10 minutes. So kuba into efana naleyo. If ZAR igain a value uzoyibona ukuthi it drop. But if it lose a value, uzobona ukuthi ama-dollars akhuphuke. The more ama-dollars akhuphuka, the more i-country yethu iluza kakhulu. Let's go back and continue sibuke for ama head and shoulder. I'm not sure ukuthi sizoyithola la. Let's go to 1 hour. The currency lena, it's a bit difficult to trade. Its spread sala is very, very high. I'm not sure ukuthi is noticeable with spread sala singaka. The spread sala is very, very huge. So it's not easy to trade this one. So I think there's no need for me to pay attention. So we can check a different pair. And again, I'll repeat this one. It's not easy to find ama head and shoulders ku chart. So I'm trying to add even more strategies ku price action. The day nizohlangana ne head and shoulder kube lula ukuthi ni trade. But nje la ama chance ukuthi uthole mancane.
Pila.
Eta.
Pila.
Eta.
I saw this one here. Hamba kanjani?
Hayi kukahle mfethu kukahle.
Yebo.
Yeah.
I saw this head the gold just now.
Good gold. Let me go and check the gold. Here is gold. Give me the coordinates.
Yeah, 9,000. 9,000. I guess. Oh yeah.
Where?
Man. Ilokhuzana. Le lokhuzana le i-head and shoulder lapho ke. Nanso ke lapho ke nje lapho ke iyo leyo.
La.
This one. Ngakwa right wakho.
Ka right wami.
Ayibonakali kalula ngeke uyibona kalula. Leyo.
Gopilana.
No. I think man le nansi na esayidini buka amalokhuzana ama-weak i-weak fike kube incane left shoulder and the right shoulder bese kuba-ke the head
This
on
one,
your right.
this one.
No, not that one, not that one. Ngakwa right nje la igcina ukwenzeka khona i-market.
Lana.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, let's go to H4 and then we check. Okay, on H4 we have a consolidation. Let's go to 30 minutes. Hey, this one it's a bit challenging. Go to 15 minutes.
Yeah. Ngizama ukubonisa phela ukuthi simdevelophe kangakanani. It's very hard to spot that one.
That's true. So this one,
Yeah.
more like a consolidation. You can see Uguti
Yes.
started yesterday.
Yeah, I've been observing it since yesterday, and
This one, we cannot call this one a head and shoulder. Uyayibona ukuthi i-huge kangakanani here. Head and shoulder is just this formation, then you're done. So here we have consolidation without a breakout. But if we go to 5 minutes and check, we might have a retest. As you can see what happened. Here we had a breakout. Yeah, I'm on 5 minutes. Here we had a breakout. And then there's a green candlestick here. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's a green candlestick here. The price dropped and then it went all the way up with the green candlestick to test here. Excuse me. This is a sign that now we're breaking this zone, we're going down. You can see what happened. The market dropped after this one and then it came back up to test this one here. You can see what happened. And then the market continued. Now we had a drop-based drop. That's why I'm always saying it is easy to trade a drop-based drop. You can trade the actual drop-based drop and then come back later and trade the drop-based drop for the first time. This one is the actual, and then there will be the first time the market testing the drop-based drop. So now the market will continue going down, but now you can see here is the drop-based drop. You go to 5 minutes, you will see a series of candlesticks like this. By looking at them, you can tell that this is a drop-based drop. So with my experience, it's easy to spot. So you can see if we go to 15 minutes, we have a drop-based drop. So now the market will still continue going down. Let me see. It might turn somewhere here.
On 1 hour.
On 1 hour time frame. Here we have resistance, it was broken. Now it tested as what? Support. Now the price is going all the way down. It might turn here. This is a new, it's a beginning of a new trend. We have a supply and demand. The market will push all the way out. As you can see, we had a consolidation. Now we had a breakout. The price pushed all the way down to this level. So it might even penetrate a little bit. And then it turned the direction to go all the way up to this level. To this level. And then it will turn until it reach, let me go to H4. Until it reached this level. Because if we add a trend line like this, we're ending up having something like this. Can you see it? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here and going to the right hand side. Let's go to 1 hour and then we observe what happened here. Exactly. Did you see what I did? Exactly. The reason why
Yeah.
on the book figure using if for our time frame, drawing a rectangle without seeing whatever that happened here on the smaller time frame. This is the first time, this is the second time, this is where you have to buy. Now, a price is a figure to the supply and demand that you can see on 1 hour time frame. You can see this one. This is where the price is. The price will push all the way down to this level, and then that's when you're gonna see it change. It's that simple. So what's gonna happen now, Lizo Pella, now you can see I'm just left with 1 minute, and then we'll go back to the beginning of everything. Let's try to cover some of the things, the supply and demand season. I want to introduce one of our students with Abe family. So now the time is up. We're going to start a new class again. If you do have questions, we are now so preparing on the next session.
Okay, great.
Sharp.